In this video, we'll be multiplying fractions. All right, so to multiply fractions, you just multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. So 1 times 2, well, 2 times 3 equals 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then also this can be reduced. So what number can go into my numerator and also go into my denominator without leaving a remainder? That'll be number 2, right? So 2 could go into 2 once, 2 could go into 6 3 times. So my final answer will be 1 over 3. All right. So that was our answer. We reduced late. So let's reduce early in this one, right? So I get 1 times 2 over 2 over 3. But this could also be written as 2 over 2, 2 over 2, right, times 1 times 3. With multiplication of fractions, you could rewrite the numerators and the denominator. And we know that this can also be written as 2 over 2 times 1 over 3. 1 over 3. And anything over itself is just the number 1. So this is just equal to 1 over 3. Because now it's 1 times 1 over 3 equals to 1 over 3. All right. But more and more as you do it, you'll pick that up earlier. Let's do some more examples. All right, here we have 3 over 7 times 21 over 24. So I am going to reduce early. All right. One of the things I know is I know that there is a number that can go into 21 and also 24. And there's also a number that can go into 21 and 7. And these numbers do not leave a remainder. So I am going to reduce 3 times 21 over 7 times 24. So what number could go? I could rewrite this as well. So I could say 21 over 7 times 3 over 24. Still the same thing, doesn't change because we multiply numbers. What number could go into 21? And what number could go into 7 without leaving a remainder? Well, that'll be 7. 7 can go into 7 how many times? Once. 7 go into 21 how many times? 3 times. What number could go into 3? And what number could go into 24 without leaving a remainder? Well, that number is 3. 3 could go into 3 once. 3 go into 24 8 times. So my answer is now 3 times 1 equals 3. And then 1 times 8 equals 8. All right, let's reduce this one early as well. So I can either rewrite it like this, or I could pick it up that, I could always switch this 5 over 10 and then 9 over 12. I could reduce it right away. So I know 5 can go into 10 and 5 can go into 5. But I'll rewrite it so you can see it clearly. So 5 over 10, right, times 9, 12, right? And then I can reduce this. What number can go into 5 and 10? That's 5. 5 go into 5 once. 5 go into 10 twice. What number can go into 3 and 12? That's no, sorry. What number can go into 9 and 12? That's 3. 3 goes into 3 times. 3 can go into 12 4 times. So my answer is now 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then put 3 over 8 again.